Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this short video with a couple great landscape lighting tips, but if you need more info, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca or go to YouTube and search for Lighting Doctor for more helpful tips. Hey guys, so just a quick summary on our project here in West Palm Beach as we're wrapping up. Couple things that I really touched on in this video and I want to make sure you guys take advantage of is that King Innovation Instalight. That battery pack is such a huge tool for me, who's put in thousands and thousands of light, but for somebody who's never done it before, it's probably the best thing you can get. And you can go and buy those on our website, but they come with all our do-it-yourself kits, so you can actually go and plug those lights in, those exact lights that you bought, not something similar, not a flashlight, anything like that, but those lights that you're going to use on your property, you plug them into this battery pack, and then you can go run around the property and put them all over the place and test out where you want to put those lights before you make your design final and permanent. And obviously we're going to help you that with our free consultations where you can email me pictures of your property and we're going to walk you through some design ideas. But even with that, I can't be on site on everybody's property, so by having that little battery pack, it's a great way for you to go and test it out for yourself. Again, especially if it's your first time, or if you're a contractor and been doing it a long time, I think you need to have a demo kit with 5 or 6 of those in there, so that as you're going to people's properties, you can show them what it's going to look like. Because if that's one thing I found with landscape lighting, is you really need to see it before you believe it. As corny as that sounds, but it's one of those things that until you see it, you don't really know how much it's going to enhance your property. So that Instalight, that battery pack, is a lifesaver. It comes in all our try it before you buy it kits and all our complete kits as well. So go and use that. Second thing, less is always more, especially if you're getting started out. It was cool on this project. We had originally anticipated for a lot more lights, but just due to budget, we kind of knocked it back, and it forced us, even though we've been doing this for a long time, to get really creative of how we use those lights. And at the end of the day, we were probably able to save the homeowner 12 lights from that initial design. It was probably like $1,500 or more when you factor in all the installation costs and stuff. So probably saved, $2,500 US by going and just being a little bit creative and forcing ourselves to be creative with less lights. And if you've never done landscaping before, I always suggest that. Start with fewer. You can always add on. Just plan for it, leave extra wire and spots, and then you can always add on more, which I guarantee you will as your landscape grows and different things like that. So, and then finally, the last point that I wanted to touch on is really just focus on key features. I think too many times we try and light everything on the property, whereas if you were just to pick a few really select, whether it be a tree, a statue, a water feature, something like that, and try and really make those pop. And even in areas, if you have a big property and you don't want to spend, tens of thousands of dollars on and put 60 lights in, instead of trying to put one light on every little thing, focus in on one area really good. You've got some giant palm trees, put 2 lights on that one. You've got a cool water feature, put 5 or 6 lights on that, as opposed to trying to spread everything out, because we've done that. We've made that mistake lots in the past where we've tried to light everything and the whole project ends up looking like crap because nothing is lit properly. So if you are on a budget, focus on certain areas first, and then you can always expand down the road. Just pre-plan for that. That's pretty much all I wanted to touch base on, guys. A really fun project. I'm glad we got the chance to come out to Florida. It's minus 30 back home, it's plus 30 here. That's always a plus. For more videos, go to YouTube, search for Lighting Doctor, and pretty much any how-to landscape lighting question that you could have, I can probably answer it there. If not, send me an email directly, cal@lightingdoctor.ca, and be sure to go and check out our try it before you buy it kits on our website, as well as to get your free consultation where I can help you with your own landscape lighting design. So go visit us, lightingdoctor.ca. So what you're going to find in your try it before you buy it landscape lighting kit is 4 things. Our RS uplighting fixture from FX Luminaire. You're going to find our wash lighting fixture from FX Luminaire, and you're going to find our path lighting fixture from FX Luminaire, which are 3 of the most used lights that we use in any of our landscape lighting projects. And along with that, it's going to come with a King Innovation Instalight, which is a battery pack that's going to allow you to go and test out these lights on your property to see which lights are going to look best where. The Try It Before You Buy It kit is a chance for you to go and feel the difference between a good quality light and a premium quality fixture and the poor quality lighting that you're going to find online and in a lot of other stores. So you get to test those lights out for 14 days, go and plug them in, test them out on your property, see what's going to look best, and if you don't love it, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. And if you do, you keep those lights at a discounted rate and you just get whatever else you need. Hey guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope you guys got some great tips, and I hope you guys take advantage of your own free video consultation where you can send me a few pictures of your property and I'm gonna get back to you with your own personalized video presentation with all kinds of tips and tools of how to go and light your own property. So to get that, go check us out at lightingdoctor.ca or just email me a few pictures of your property at cal@lightingdoctor.ca.